Hello guys, let me share with you all these amazing ideas that you guys can do for your decor. So in today's video, we're gonna take one of these glasses that comes in three different sizes like that. So we're gonna take the big one, put a little bit of hot glue all the way around it, and we're going to attach another one right on top like that until it attach into place. Then I'm gonna take more hot glue, place it on the top, and attach another glass like that. Just place it in there, and we have a big candle holder. Then after this, I'm gonna take these little like branches. I'm going to place it around it like that. And the way you're going to attach, just put a little bit of hot glue in the glass and then attach it into place like that. We're going to do the same thing at the bottom part and attach it there. So then after you attach another one in the back. So you want to be both sides. Then go ahead and grab your flower, put a little bit of hot glue and place it in there like that until you attach a few of them. Then after that, you could decide to leave just with a candle. You could put a glass and place the candle right inside like that, and this is, guys, this is cute. This is how cute it turns out. So simple, so easy. This could be for wedding decorations idea that I think it will look great. A birthday party, a kids party. You decide what you want to use it for. Leave it as a simple table centerpiece, and you decide which one you like the most. Now, for the next idea, we're gonna go ahead and grab two picture frames of these. We're gonna take the wrapping paper out like that. Just take it out, and then we're going to take this little black thing that take this piece out because we're not going to use them. I'm just gonna leave it with two picture frame like this one. So what we're going to do is just grab one of these floral foam, and we're gonna take our picture frame and take out the little thing that holds the frame. Just pull it out with a scissor like that, and it comes out pretty simple. Just gonna continue doing that until you do the whole thing. Then go ahead and grab it and place it right in the middle and there inside the floral foam like that. Put a little bit of hot glue, put a little bit of hot glue in the insides as well, and then you're gonna put enough in there. Make sure to put enough, a lot, and then place a picture frame inside. Hold it into place like that so it can attach into there. Put more hot glue on top, and then take more floor foam and place it inside. This is the key to holding things down. This was gonna hold it down, so make sure you don't skip this step. This is the most important part to hold the picture frame down. It will be perfect. So then after you guys do that, I'm gonna take one of these square mirrors. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue at the bottom and attach it there. This is more for weight, so it can fall apart. So it will give it that weight at the bottom. So then after you attach it in there, we're gonna take our flowers and place it right inside there. So just continue attaching flower until you do the whole thing all the way around. Let's not forget to put like a little toothpick and then place it inside. You can always put a little bit of hot glue in the toothpick and then attach it to the flower so then the flower will not fall apart. And then just make to put little cute flowers around it. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So cute and so simple that you guys can do for any decorations. Now for the next idea, we're gonna take this flower out because we're gonna use the same picture frames and stuff, but we're gonna do a little bit different. We're gonna take another um a square mirror, and we're gonna put some hot glue in there and then just attach it into place like that. Then I'm gonna take a floral foam like that, and we're gonna put it all the way around it like that at the bottom and on the side so it can attach to the mirror, and it can also attach to the other floral foam. And then just go ahead and attach it in there, hold it down. Make sure you do that so it can attached. Then go ahead and take the other black thing on the other picture frames, and then we're gonna place the other picture frame right in there like that. So just go ahead, put your little bit of hot glue, make a little hole first, then put your little bit of hot glue, put the picture frame inside in there, and then just gonna attach it to the top as well, just to hold it down to the other picture frame like that. So then after you guys do that, just go ahead and spray paint it in gold. After you spray paint it in gold, grab your toothpick, put it inside your flowers, and start placing your flower all the way around it. Let's not forget to attach it with a little bit of hot glue. Then I'm gonna put some greenery as well, and we're going to attach some green. So make sure to do this all the way around it like that. I'm gonna take other green flowers, and this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so inexpensive, and so easy that you guys can do at home. Another way you guys can do, put a little bit of floral foam right in the middle of the two picture frames, and then put flower around it just to cover the floral foam. I'm gonna take a balloon. I'm gonna take one of those balloon holder like that, and I'm gonna just use the balloon holder, and I'm going to place it right inside there like that. You can also put a little bit of hot glue in here just to attach it better, and then attach it to the floor phone. Just go ahead and place it inside, in there. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple and so easy that you guys can do. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna take one of this pot, like planter pot. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue in the floor foam, and I'm going to attach it right in there, hold it down so it can attach. Then I'm gonna take one of this little ring floor foam. I'm gonna take a balloon holder, a balloon stick, and I'm gonna place it right in there. Make sure to attach it with a little bit of hot glue. So just place the balloon stick inside like that, and then put a little bit of hot glue and then place it in there. Then just go ahead and put another one in the other side like that, and we're going to place it right inside the floor foam that we just placed inside like that. Once you place it inside, it's going to turn out just like this one. Then I'm going to take this like leaves, and I'm gonna place it inside. I'm gonna take some flour, place it in the middle as well. Then I'm gonna take my balloon, place it in a balloon holder. I'm gonna take the balloon stick, and the balloon stick I'm gonna place it right in the middle and there like that. And we're gonna take the balloon and place it inside so it turns out like this one. Just like that. But before we do that, I'm gonna take it out just to attach the leaves around it. In this leaves, I'm gonna take these pins and then place it with pins because with the hot glue it wasn't attaching. So just take some pins and place it inside like that around it until you attach the back and front of the centerpiece. Then go ahead and put your balloon back in there. Take a stick and place the flower and then place it inside all the way around it like that. Then I took the pin and placed it in there as well. It won't come out through the whole size, but skip this part if you have kids and you don't want it to be a hazard. But this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy, so inexpensive, and super cute. You could do this one for any party idea or decorations. For the next idea, we're gonna go ahead and grab two mirrors again, and we're gonna do this almost the same process that we did before. We're gonna take our hot glue. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue like that all the way to the bottom, and then I'm gonna take the other mirror and then attach it into place. Just hold it down so it can attach in there. Then after you attach it in there, just flip it around, you guys. Put a little bit of tape and then place it in the back like that. This is just to hold it down better. So just attach it in there. Then I'm just going to go ahead and take two of these floor foam. Make sure to have them both the same colors. I just have these two different ones. So then just put hot glue at the bottom part and then attach it right to your mirror just like that. Just hold it down. Then I'm going to grab my leaves like that. I'm gonna place it around as well. And here I'm going to attach it to the mirror because it wasn't attached into the floor phone. So just attach it to the mirror around it like that. So just continue doing it all the way around it like that until you attach it into place like that. I'm gonna take my flower, put a stick inside, and then place it in there. You guys, here I'm gonna do different colors of flowers because I'm gonna use different colors of balloons. So you could do whatever balloons that you do and have the same color in the centerpiece. So I'm gonna have some yellow, some blue, some pink, and then just go ahead and place it around. I'm also gonna place some white around it as well. Then go ahead and grab your balloon, put it in your balloon holder like this one. I make a balloon very small. Take your balloon stick and place it in there, then attach it all the way to the floor phone. Just go ahead and place it inside. So we're going to continue attaching the balloons like that. I'm gonna do three on this size. Like two the same size and one sticking up like that, and then I'm going to do the same thing in the other side. Then go ahead and grab your flowers of the same color of the balloon, and we're going to place it right in there in the balloon. Just attach it with a little bit of hot glue. Then I'm going to take these cute little white flowers and place it right in the middle just so it can look super cute. So just continue attaching your flower until you do the whole thing. I'm going to do a few little butterflies around it in the balloon stick like that, and this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy, and so inexpensive that you guys can do at home. You can also add on more balloons to it. It's up to you how you guys want to do it. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.